The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
This is Christine Langley with the Wyoming Women's Business Center, and I want to welcome you to Tracking Time in QuickBooks, the desktop version. The Wyoming Women's Business Center is a nonprofit organization that assists individuals who want to start or expand small businesses, specifically in the state of Wyoming. And we do this through three distinct programs. The first is business training and counseling. The second is access to capital through our microloan program, as well as our individual development accounts programs. And then lastly, our professional artist development center. The QuickBooks training series you're listening to is brought to you by our microloan program, which was started to provide access to funds for those unable to get business loans through traditional means. So if you'd like more information on the microloan program, you can contact Waldo Smith. And now I'd like to turn it over to Derek Campbell with Capital Clarity Company. Welcome, Derek.
Thanks, Christine. So as Christine mentioned in this video, we will be discussing how to track time in QuickBooks Desktop. Tracking time is a useful feature in QuickBooks Desktop. You can track time to make running payroll easier for your employees. You can track billable hours to make invoicing more accurate and efficient. And you can also track your time so that you can track your profit realization for yourself, your independent contractors or vendors, your employees, and even your business as a whole. So after you open your QuickBooks Desktop company file, navigate to the Edit drop-down menu at the top of the page and select Preferences. Choose Time and Expenses from the list on the left-hand side and select the Company Preferences tab at the top. This is where it's going to ask you if you track time in your business. Select the radio button for Yes, and then select the first day of the work week. Typically, this is probably Sunday or Monday. And then you can leave that box, mark all time entries as billable, and click OK. It's going to reset your QuickBooks here for a second. All right, now on your home page, you're going to see an Enter Time icon in the Employees section of the home page. Click on that and select whether you want to enter an entire week or you can enter a single time activity. On this screen, enter the name of an employee or a vendor that you'd like to track time for, and then specify the customer, service item, apply any notes, and then enter hours for each time activity and day of the week. Marking a line as billable will make this time activity available to add to an invoice for that specified customer. You can click Save and New to create another timesheet or Save and Close if you're finished entering hours. All right, now click the Create Invoices icon in the Customer section of the home page. This will create a new invoice. Select a customer from whom you've added billable time from the drop-down list at the top of the window. This should pull up a dialog box asking if you would like to select billable time to add to this invoice. Click OK. Select all of the billable time activities that you've added and you'd like to add to this invoice. Once you've selected them all, click OK. For more information on the invoicing process, please refer to our other video called Creating Invoices in QuickBooks Desktop. Time entries can also be used when running payroll for employees, but we're not going to touch on payroll in this QuickBooks series. For more information or help in setting up your QuickBooks payroll or utilizing payroll features, just reach out to a pro advisor and they'll be happy to help you out. You can also run a report to track profitability by a customer. To run this report, navigate to the Reports drop-down menu and then select Job Profitability, or navigate to Jobs, Time, and Mileage, first. And then select Job Profitability Summary. This report outlines all of your costs, including time, that have been allocated to a specific customer and compares it with any revenue that's been recorded to that customer as well. This allows you to monitor a more accurate picture of your profitability by customer. So I want to thank you guys for joining us on this short QuickBooks video. Stay tuned for other QuickBooks accounting or tax-related questions, and I'll pass it over to Christine.
Thanks, Derek. The Wyoming Women's Business Center is made possible through several partnership agencies, primarily the U.S. Small Business Administration and the Wyoming Business Council, and we certainly thank them for their support and guidance in our partnership. If you'd like more information on the Wyoming Women's Business Center, the contact information screen is up. You can contact any of our business counselors, and our business counseling is always free. If you'd like information specifically on the microloan program, please contact Waldo Smith. And thanks again for joining us.